industrial region developed into a growing residential market located close to Pune-Nagar Highway and Kharadi IT Hub, offering a developing social infrastructure and competitive property prices. All this what Wagholi offers you. This locality is a prime example of a successful residential cum commercial destination in Pune. So welcome to your favorite show, This Locality, That Project. I am Neha Nagpal and today we will dig into Wagholi and we'll find out how this locality has emerged as one of the in-demand localities of Pune and why. So come with me. A decade ago, Wagholi was just an extension on eastern corridor of Pune with no real estate and infrastructure development. However, people were looking for properties on the peripheral areas of Pune, and from there, Wagholi was born. Wagholi is well connected through all modes of transport, road, rail and air. Stretching from Bund Garden to Wagholi, the 6-lane 15 km Nagar Road provides easy access to various prominent IT-driven areas such as Viman Nagar, which is 9.5 km away, Kalyani Nagar, which is situated at 11 km away, and Kharadi, which is about 7 km away. Nagar Road further connects to Kharadi Bypass Road and Pune-Solapur Highway. There are other roads like Chaukidhani Road and Wagholi Kesanand Road, which are also in the close proximity. The closest railway station to Wagholi is Hadapsar, which is 10 km away, and if you have to go to a Pune railway station, then it is situated at 14 km away. The locality also has a direct connectivity to Pune Airport, located at 11 km away via Lohegaon Wagholi Road. The area has extensive bus services, and the Wagholi bus stand and Shivaji bus stand lies in close proximity. While currently Wagholi is not on the metro line. However, the talks to extend the Vanas Ramwadi metro line, which is expected to be operational by 2021, are going on. Apart from all this, there are some ongoing and upcoming infrastructure development which are acting as a pull factor for this locality. The proposed ring road project connecting Pune and PCMC area falls in this region and will be a major growth driver for housing demand. The Mumbai-Bangalore infrastructure corridor, the road connecting to Eon IT Park through Nagar Road, a flyover connecting Wagholi to Shikrapur. In addition to all this, this micro market is likely to be included in Pune Municipal Corporation limits in the next few months. So Wagholi real estate is expected to grow rapidly going forward. Wagholi offers array of social facilities in close proximity. You'll find schools, banks, hospitals, cafes, hotels in the locality itself. IT companies or parks situated in Kharadi like Eon IT Park, World Trade Center are located within the distance of 5 to 6 kilometers. Within a distance of 3 kilometers, you can find 6 to 7 schools like Sanskriti School Wagholi campus and 5 hospitals like Lifeline Hospital. For entertainment and leisure, you have an access to malls like Phoenix Market City and Seasons Mall, which are located within the distance of 9 kilometers. Chandanagar Police Station is the nearest police station to this locality, which is situated at 6 kilometers. That takes care of the security of Wagholi. Since there are various parts of this locality is still under developing phase, you'll see some challenges seen here. There is traffic jam seen during the rush hours in this locality. This is due to the presence of IT companies in and around. No municipal water exists in the locality, hence people have to rely on tankers. Few residents who are living in a plotted development here are seeing the challenge of power cuts for long hours. However, with new projects and townships developing in the locality, you always have a facility of power backups. The villages like Kesanand are located in close proximity. Hence, safety and security is always a concern in this locality. So who is buying here? People who are preferring a quiet and peaceful environment are looking for property in this locality. And majorly you will see professionals who are working in close proximity in the commercial hubs or IT hubs of Kharadi are buying here. Multi-story apartments are maximum in number. As per Magic Bricks data, this property stands at 95% of availability. You will find mix of 1, 2 and 3 BHK options here. The supply data shows that 1 BHK option stands at 28%, 2 BHK at 57% and 3 BHK is available at 15%. The average property price in this locality is 4600 rupees per square feet. There are more than 50 developers present in the locality. The prominent ones are VTP developers, BU Bhandari, Kolte Patil and Kariya developers. 1 BHK is available in the sizes of 377 square feet to 900 square feet. The price starts from 16 lakh and goes up to 38 lakhs. 2 BHK is available in the sizes of 570 square feet to 1317 square feet. This property is available in the range of 25 lakh to 60 lakhs. While a 3 BHK of sizes between 900 to 2000 square feet is available in the price bracket of 40 lakh to 95 lakhs. There are a wide range of properties available for rent as well. For that, you need to shell out between 5,000 to 35,000 monthly. The most preferred property type for sale here is a 2 BHK apartment, while for rent, people are preferring a smaller accommodation of 1 BHK. As far as properties are concerned, you will find competitive prices in this locality compared to what is available in Kharadi and Viman Nagar. So a quick wrap up on Wagholi. It offers good connectivity via main roads like Nagar Road, Chaukidani and Kesanand Road. It enjoys proximity to IT hubs like Kharadi. Upcoming and ongoing infrastructure development in this locality will have its own impact on property prices here. But do keep these points in mind. There is traffic jam seen during rush hours, no municipal water exists, and there are power cuts in this locality. I hope you like this review. If you have any other query on Wagholi or any other locality in Pune, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @Neha Nagpal. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram as well. Do send me your queries on the comment section below this video. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. प्लीज मैजिक ब्रिक्स को YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करिए और नए वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाइए।